Frásaí na seachtaine on Scoil 3. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. By Friday you should be able to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. The V and Vorta, Ka, Colaraha, Con R2, Imlina, Nomad, Trum, Adrum. Cain data A and Yuv, what date is today? And Yuv on, what Mr. Maloney tells you. Keved post it wrong. How many children in your class? Tá fiche hain am wrong. Cad Eid na leanta a cahan sheet and Colaraha. What days do they wear the tracksuit? Cahan sheet and Colaraha are on days of the week. On Lewin, on Mart, on Cadine, on Dairdine, on Ina. Cad Eid na leanta a cahan sheet on Adi Sculla. What days do they wear the school uniform? Cahan sheet and Adi Sculla are on they wear the uniform on whatever days they do. If they don't wear it, it's ni cahan sheet. On Meg on Con R2 or Shuli Mlina, will the confirmation be on this year? Beg if it will be, ni veg if not. Keved Nomad a cahan 2 or double walya. How many minutes do you spend on your homework? Cahan de, fihe, trucka, dahed, quega, shaska nomad. I spend 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes. He, no he, and Mutor is Farlat. Who is the teacher you prefer the most? Is Farlum? Obviously it's Mr. Maloney. On mean the wall is Sculla, Trum no Adrum. Is your school bag heavy or light? Bean she, Trum no Adrum. Notice how we answer the question Cain data A in Yuv with in Yuv on. Cad Eid na leanta cahan. Cahan is the verb, so we answer the question with cahan again. The question has on Meg, the answer is going to be beg or ni veg, it's future tense. Cahan is the verb in this question, so the answer is cahan. The question here has is Farlat, so in the answer it's is Farlum your favourite or who you prefer. The question is on mean, so the answer is bean.